What's up YouTube, it's Louis here. Hope you're all well. Today we'll be looking at Bitcoin on the 4 hour time frame, and we can see multiple wick rejections from the top. So it means if we see wicks at the top, it wants to drop. And also we've had multiple double bottoms that have failed. In this downtrend, I'm seeing lots of YouTubers saying along the way down they were never saying these were double bottoms. Absolute liars. Every single drop I remember here, oh, this is the bottom, 42k is the bottom, and then we went down here, oh, this is the bottom, and now there is also, oh, this is the bottom. So who can you trust? No one knows. So that's why it's best to just go and learn it yourself. If you want to support the channel, then go ahead and like the video, and obviously help the channel grow to 2k subscribers by the end of this month. I know that we can do it because we're one of the best communities, honestly, guys. Thank you guys for your support. If you want to take that further step, then obviously wait till the end of the video for all the crypto packages, or if you want to do the course, the crypto chat, or the mentorship. So you won't have to have anyone else to rely on in this market, so you can just look at the market, know what you think is going to happen. Then you can go on YouTube, see what the others are doing, whether you agree with them or disagree. Now you have your own opinion, and that's the best thing. That's the most key point. So along this bull run, all these bullish pages, all well and all, because they're obviously bullish and it's going up. But when it's bearish, they keep saying it's bullish. And then I'm really losing respect for a lot of these crypto YouTubers, crypto Twitters that I had a lot of respect for over a year now. Yeah, and it's ridiculous to see that they don't change bias. Like, look, as long as we're below 39k over here, this previous swing low, we know we're bearish. You can even say bear market. Now, I'm not saying multi-year bear market. I'm just saying downtrend. Look, it's obvious. 4 hour downtrend, daily downtrend, also a weekly downtrend since you lost this low. So the only time frame that's bullish at the moment, guys, is the monthly time frame. So yes, monthly bull market, I agree, but everything else is bearish. And if it's in a downtrend, we can say bear market. Just like when it's in an uptrend, we can say bull market. No one has a problem saying that. But when people say bear market now, everyone's absolutely crapping their pants. But all it means is that you're in a downtrend, and you're in a downtrend on the highest of time frames. We also know previously that every single time Bitcoin has lost, this orange line is gone into a bear market. So why is it different now? Why is it, oh, we've lost it this time, but it's not a bear market? Yes, I know you're above this structure. On the monthly time frame, we're bullish. But as long as we're below this low, we should keep going down until we reach this level. That should support us if we are still in a monthly bull market, which we are currently. So this should hold, basically. On the weekly time frame, it's different. On the daily, it's different. When we lost this low, it's telling us we've confirmed a downtrend, a bear market. So on the daily, on the weekly, bear market until here. This is what's supporting us. Once you lose this, then I can say, yeah, you're in a monthly bear market as well. That's the proper bear market, something like this over here. But yeah, until we lose this low over here, we're in a monthly bull market, but we can't say we're bullish for any other time frame apart from the monthly. So I don't want to hear all of this, oh, but we're going up to 60,000 now, da, 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 da. First of all, there's a lot of things to do. We need to break out of this channel, this parallel channel that we've respecting since November. So for months and months and months on end, we've been respecting this parallel channel to the downside. Yes, they eventually break upwards, but does that mean that the bottom's in yet? Not at all. Right now, what we're seeing over here is a crazy harsh rejection, a bearish engulfing, a doji followed by a bearish engulfing. We've seen this multiple occasions. Look, bearish engulfing here. Let's get another bearish engulfing for you. Bearish engulfing here. Bearish engulfing just here. Wick to the top, it wants to drop. And we've had dojis in the past as well. So we got that green one. Maybe not a doji, that green one. More of a shooting star. But yeah, we have had dojis as well here. 2 dojis right next to each other. If you see 2, 3 dojis next to each other, it's even more accurate, basically. But yeah, wick rejection of the 20 daily EMA. This means we are continuing our downtrend. We should continue our downtrend. That's lower lows and lower highs, so we should continue down. The only thing supporting us at the moment is this green box over here. You can see we've had a nice bounce. Amazing. That is of course amazing. Like previously you're having bounces from this area. Look, wicks to the bottom, doesn't want to go below this area, so this should hold, right? Now all we're doing is coming back up into this key resistance, into the parallel channels resistance. Let's see if where the 12 is. Yeah, look, okay, you're running into the 12 EMA right now. Where's my phone? we're running into the 12 EMA right now as resistance on the daily time frame, and you can see what else is by the 12 and the 20, these two key resistance points. We'll go to the 4 hour and look at this a bit clearer. So get rid of this now. So still have a bearish crossover here on the 4 hour. We had a bullish. Told you guys it wouldn't work because obviously the parallel channel. No one believed me. Didn't work. But you come down to this key support. So that is what is holding us up. You can see I said once we lose this low, we're coming down to here. We're using the fibs basically. It's lining up with this because this is your 1 point. Once you lose this low, you should continue down unless you get back above it. So we did lose it. We had like a little scare over here, but it was just coming down to the bottom of the parallel channel, just like up here. We were making resistance weaker. I think that if we do come into this resistance again, it's going to be much easier to break out of, because obviously here spent a little bit of time, a bit more, and way more time up here. So it's getting weaker basically. It's getting weaker. So if we do come up into it, potentially we do break it this time. That remains to be seen. Maybe something like this, push up into this key resistance, fall back to the outside of the channel, and then potentially break out. But again, guys, look how big this resistance point is. Even if we come up into here with a breakout, potentially it might just be a massive move to the upside and then fall back in and continue down, cascade down. So I will get you some fibs, but we know if we lose 36,000, this green support, then we would have a target at 35k. This is what I gave you yesterday, but at the moment we're bouncing back through from the 1. What we would like to see for bullish continuation is a retest of this as support. So retest those EMAs as support. Maybe they form a bullish cross, and you still got this resistance. But yeah, once you break out of this double bottom, one bottom, second bottom, it's just taking time. Get above that, hold it as support, and we would have target to the upside. So just like if we get above this fib level, I'm gonna remove this now because we have the downward target, and you see we start headed up. So I'm gonna do fibs over here to see if we will continue up. I'll tell you the levels we need to break above to continue up. Well, we've actually got a wick rejection off the 618. So potentially if we now fail to get above 38,000, if we fail to get above 38,000, then this could be a dead cat bounce where you've come down impulsively, come back up before continuation down. And then all of this move is just corrective to the 618 over here before continuation down. That's a potential scenario. If you get above, let's get rid of that now. If you do get above the fibs though, the 618, sorry, we will go to the 1618 over here, and I think that's, yeah, just above the 200 EMA. You might not even get to that, even though it's your target 41.2k. Might not get to it whatsoever. We'll probably stop off roughly where the 200 EMA is. You might have like an overshoot to the 1618. That might well happen, but yeah, I would be looking at the 200 EMA as a level where we would get stopped at basically. Whether we get through it in the short term, I think we would roll over because we don't want to break it on the first attempt. And yeah, guys, even though if we break the 618 here and the 1 at 39k, we would have a target, the 1618 at 41k. It's just that, yeah, this is such key resistance and you haven't really tested it as resistance yet. So that's something that we need to do. So I would really expect a harsh rejection from here. That doesn't mean that we will lose this low again. What it should mean is that it should lose this low because you're flipping support into resistance, and so you should, if this is resistance now, you should go to support, this level way down here. So that is what should happen. But if you print a higher low, then obviously higher low, that's the start of an uptrend. Or what you need next is a higher high above this. But there's a lot of levels that we need to break above. Let me go over to this other Bitcoin chart. You can see this box is absolutely huge. I'll make it red. So yeah, there's a lot of work to do. So guys, that's pretty much it. I've given you the outcomes up and down, so we're just waiting basically. So yeah, until we get a move, we're just waiting for that. So if you guys are interested in the crypto packages, I'll bring you over to them now. Thank you guys for watching. So guys, these are my crypto packages. Let's bring you over to the one-on-one mentorship, where it's £650 one-off payment. You will get video call lessons with me over a 1 month period. We will do 1 or 2 hour lessons every single day, and you don't need any prior knowledge whatsoever. You can have zero, you can already be an advanced or intermediate trader. My job here is to 10x your learning curve. Everything that I'm teaching you has taken me over 3 years to gather and cost me over £10,000, whether that was good courses, bad courses, mistakes, scams, or whatever it was. It cost me over £10,000 to get all this information that I'm personally teaching you. I also had to pay for my mentor over $2,000 for a 2-hour lesson. So what you're getting for this price is absolutely phenomenal. Now, you also get the 6-hour crypto course included in this price, as well as the Signals chat until the top of the bull market. Now let's move over to the Signals chat. I wouldn't call it Signals. This is just basically a group where I post what I'm personally doing, my thoughts on the market, if I think it's going up or down. So there's daily chart updates, but also, yeah, throughout the day, what I'm thinking, or where I'm buying, where I'm selling, where I'm looking to accumulate, or obviously get out the market. This is what's in the crypto chat, and that's £25 for your first month and £40 onwards. Then we can move over to the 6-hour crypto course. There are over 35 plus videos in this. You don't need any prior knowledge to start. You can be beginner, intermediate, or advanced level trader. My job here is to 10x your learning curve, to make you into that self-sufficient trader, to make you into a trader that doesn't need outsiders' help. Not my help, not any YouTubers' help, or any crappy group chat. So if you're interested in this, you also do get a one-on-one mentorship lesson with me at the end of the course, so you can get any questions answered, so you're clear and you know exactly what to do going forward. If you're interested in any of these packages, then please go to my Twitter at Louis_crypto and literally comment down below and just say, Louis, I'm interested, and I'll personally private message you to see if you qualify for any of these packages. Thank you guys for listening, watching the video. Please like, subscribe, comment, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.